Wishing you all a very happy 2021, happy new year. Today we are going to make this 3D kind of letters with good projections and relief, and so I'm making these two lines. You can use scale or freehand also, you can do it. So I use scale to measure. In the middle I'm drawing a line and using scale to measure the equal distance from in the right and left. So in the bottom line 10 to 10, I'm just keeping 10 centimeter to the left and right. You can have your own sizes. So I'm marking the middle in the left and the right also, and in the top I'm making the line little shorter, making 9 centimeter in each side, and we'll be marking the middle points also. Okay, when you connect these middle points, you get it like this. We're trying to make these numbers at an angle. Looks like as if these numbers are resting on a table or on a thing. So the height of the letters, right? So I just made line for 2 centimeters. I'm erasing it, making it for 1.5 centimeters. You don't have to follow the exact thing, but it's a rough estimated thing. Okay, so this is the height of the thing, letters. So I'm going to draw first the 2 in the first box. So if you feel it's a fast, you can pause the video and observe. So I'm trying to draw number 2. Okay, see the width I made, then all the curves I'm making. Okay, since I made a 2, let me make another 2 which is at a different angle at other location. So making this curve, take your time. So make these nice curves. So making 0 now. So look at the it is touching the left side and the right top, bottom top. Okay, and the equal distance inner circle. So making number 1 in the right side. Look at the design for the number 1. The width of the number 1 is same as of 2 or 0. So after convincing the shapes with the pencil, I'm drawing using a black pen. This is a waterproof pen from Uniball. After making these lines, I'll erase these pencil lines. So making all the projections for all the numbers. The same way you can do for any English alphabet also. You can experiment. So as I told earlier, this is 1.5 centimeters I'm trying for the height of each letter that I'm measuring everywhere. So if the video is fast, you can pause it and make the drawing. Okay, we are done with the letter. So I want to write the message. I'm drawing a line which will help me to write the message. So I write happy and healthy new year, isn't it? So after this the corona in 2020 we had a bad experience, and wishing for a very healthy and prosperous new year 2021. The text happy and healthy new year, it is not very straight, but I'm okay with that. Okay, so I'm planning for a colorful rainbow. Rainbow is always colorful anyway. So I made these lines, and very little above the center I'm making a curve. So that helps me to split and draw 7 arches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 lines within the top and bottom line. So I've split it nicely like this. So you can try the line in the middle. So in this you won't get a line in the middle. So little above middle I drew a line. So on top I drew 2 lines. In the bottom I draw 3 lines. So totally the 7 WebGR we need to have the 7 split. So writing happy and healthy new year, you can have your own font size, style or design. You can make even this 3D, but that takes more time. You can try. So I want these numbers to be very prominent and the message to be small. So we did this. You can erase unnecessary pencil lines and make it look clean. Now I can start filling. So I'm planning yellow and red for the numbers. Then the background I want it to be light green, as if there are grasses and these numbers are resting on them. Then the shadow will be kind of blue, and black will be used for the relief of the numbers. Okay, I'm starting with the background. This is sap green. I'm using a flat brush so that I can fill the area quickly. When I fill, I observe that this happy and healthy new year message, I'm just doing some lifting of colors around that text, little bit lifting, so that you can see the text properly. Using a thinner brush for the space in between the numbers. Okay, so it's time for the rainbow now. No, we'll do rainbow after this numbers. So I'm filling with yellow first, then when it is wet I'm touching red somewhere in some different places, touching red like this. I'm using yellow so that the number Looks bright and prosperous. Okay, so I'm using blue, especially ultramarine blue. For the depth, you can use, I'm using a smaller flat brush. You can use round brush also, but flat brush always, using flat brush able to fill the area faster. So you'll have to use the edge of the flat brush properly. Okay, so there is some little issue with my video. So there is small disconnection. I've made that red first in the rainbow. So instead of making the adjacent color, I'm doing the distant violet. Then I would do the blue. So that the colors will dry. So I made this yellow, then I'm going to make blue now, hopefully, yes. The indigo, so it's kind of darker blue. Now this is orange, the red, the yellow has not yet dried, so a bit of orange spreads over the yellow also, so that's all right. So now it's a green and the colorful rainbow is done. So you can use the pencil like 8B or I use Staedtler EE pencil, which is quite dark. Making the shadow. I start making the shadow, then I make them uniform or more darker using by blending with the earbuds. So this makes it uniform, also increases the depth. Slowly these numbers are the 3D effect we are getting. We are seeing the real projection. So still not very happy with the depth. So I'm using oil pastels, the black touching in the bottom of these numbers. Then again I use the earbud to make it smooth. Now this gives good relief. The shade, depth of the shade is better, definitely. So that's our cuckoo bird stepping into 2021. So almost a year after Cuckoo's art classes. So the other thing I would do is using a flat brush, little dark green or almost same green you can use. To the sap green, very little blue you can add, so it becomes little dark. Using that and making these strokes, and it will make it look like grass. Okay, after the grass, probably we can cut the white area using scissors, or you can even make them perfect black using any black color, oil pastels, or you can use anything, or even pencils, make them quite black. Or another idea is to cut it out and keep the artwork in a table, and you can keep the camera at a low angle, and try to see the three-dimensional thing. So in another video we have made watermelon on a table with lemon. The similar effect you will get it. Okay, all dried up nicely. Removing the masking tape, and so I'm going to cut it out. Use the scissor. And you can always approach your parents or any senior for help. So you have to be always very careful when you do this cutting. You should not hurt yourself. So try this. So this is how we can do relief 3D text. So wishing you all a very happy and healthy, prosperous New Year 2021. As you know, I take art classes also for kids as well as for the seniors. So you can check out my website cuckoo.in, cuckoo.in. Have a good time, celebrate this life. Happy New Year and bye for now.